Sublian Festival at Subignong Celebration, which culminates every year on the 23rd of July. So yung ati-atihan mo, January, same as Cebu, January, but the Sublian Festival sa Batangas is on July 23rd. Okay, it is rooted for the Batangueños devotion to the town, patrol, and also yes, this Sublian Festival, it is also a prayer dance. Okay? Ito mo siya na pinoportray ko nila yung Holy Cross, Cebuan at Agong Cebu. So, sino ang pamilya dito sa Sublina Folk Dance? Sublina Folk Dance. I think grade 8 students are performing Sublina festivals. And also, the Sublian Festival came from two words, sup-sup, meaning bending your body forward and downward, and bali, meaning broken. So this dance is the skeletal dance. Like bali. Okay? Yung parang di siya sinulog, pero dito po sa Subli is more on bending, mas more on pinoportray nila yung body figure or skeletal figure na isang dancer. Okay, next. So, makikita niyo dito, meron sila, they are wearing, actually, parang po talaga siyang Subli folk dance. And also, the Sublian Festival po is Sublian Festival, they are portraying also the San Fernando. But they have a different music. Yung Subli folk dance, kung marinig niyo po siya, parang talaga siyang solemn. Pero pag-parade na doon sa Sublian Festival, is parang may beat na siya na fast forward. And then, let me check the music. Okay, familiar? This is Subli folk dance. Perfect. Okay. So, kung makikita niyo sa YouTube ang Subli Festival, then po talaga siya. Okay? That dance is a special movement. Again, where was the Subli came from? Came from the word so. And the meaning of Subli, the body posture, kung ano yung pinanggalingan niya is ang body, meaning broken. Okay. Kailan ba? Okay, 23rd of July. So right now, let's learn the basic dance steps of the third, or yung tatlong festival na meron tayo. Ano nga yung una? Saan ba? Sa Aklan. Okay. Ati-Atihan Festival originated at Aklan. When? Every third week of January. Next one, we have the Iloilo Festival. Every Sunday. And last one, skip. Easter there. When po ang Subli Festival? Okay. Saan ba pinagkasta or sineselebrate ang Sublian Festival? Okay, very good. Sa Batangas. So right now, I want you to group into group 3. So count off. Make it louder. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Okay. All group the group 1 will be going here, group 2, and then go. Group 1. Middle, left, or right?
Middle. Right. Middle.
Right. Okay. Middle. You will be performing the Ati-Atihan Festival. Okay. Next, group 2 and group 3. Right. Okay. Okay, ready? 4, 3, 2, go! Okay! Let's give her a round of applause. Okay, an amazing clap. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, amazing. Again, 4, 3, 2, go! Amazing. Okay, next we have the Sinulog Festival. The group go. Okay, come here in the front. Okay. Are you ready, group 2?
Yes, yes, we are.
Okay. Now let's start.
Video.
Last we have the group 3. Group 3 also portraying the Santo Niño, which is the Sophia Festival. Okay. Sophia Festival. Bend your body. Skeletal movement. Okay. So I have here a envelope. So each group will fix the puzzle inside of this, and also after fixing the puzzle, I will give you some questions inside the backpack of Dora. And any representative will go here in front and also explain on what about their activity, and also after reporting, you will perform, or after discussing in front, you will performing the chant of that festival. Here? Yes. Okay, any question? Okay, group 1, this one. Group 2, and I will be giving you 5 minutes to fix the puzzle, and also 2 minutes to discuss here and try. The timer starts now. Okay, sorry, I forgot this. Mom, are we going to this? Yes, later. After, any representative will go here in front if you're done fixing all the puzzle to get the question. Again.
Go guys.
Again, the answer of your Seconds left. Okay, time is up. Okay, it's time to face here in front. And any representative who would like to explain their report and discuss what it's all about. Okay, let's start with group number 1. Okay, any representative? Wala? Or I will give zeros and 1. Okay, let's have.
Good afternoon, everyone. So we have here Sinulog Festival. So what is Sinulog Festival? So for us, Sinulog Festival is a festival that gives honor to Senior San Benito. And question number 2 is where was the Sinulog Festival originated? So Sinulog Festival is originated sa Cebu City. And where was the Sinulog Festival celebrated? So, Sinulog Festival is celebrated every third Sunday of January.
Okay, very good. Group 1, can you please give them a Jollibee clap? I know all of you really want or really love Jollibee. Do you know what is Jollibee dance? Or I mean Jollibee clap? Okay, stand up and follow after me. Okay, let's try. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. Again. 4, 3, 2, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, very good. So let's go. Let's have another group 2. Okay.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am the representative group. And the festival that we have is Sublian Festival. So the first question is, what is Sublian Festival? Sublian Festival came from the word susub. It is a worship dance. Sublian Festival is a new festival quite similar because they also use Santo Niño as the props of their dance. And the second is, where was the Sublian originated? From Batangas. And when? 23rd of July.
Okay, very good. Okay, group will only given them a McDonald dance. The McDonald clap. Do you know what is McDonald clap?
No.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm the reporter for Group 2 So, ito po ang aming puzzle. Tama naman. So, number 1 is, ang question 1 is Ati-Atihan Festival. Ati-Atihan Festival is a religious festival of Aklan honoring Santo Niño. And saan nga ba? Sa Aklan. And when was the Ati-Atihan Festival celebrated? January, and we're not sure of the third week now, so January lang.
Okay, very good. And the last group, let's give them a
Pastilan ka.
what? Pastilan Club? I think Pastilan Club is already like around the box. Okay, but the group A will be giving them an amazing clap. Again, 4, 3, 2, go. Amazing. I know all of you are already knowledgeable about the different places and the different festivals celebrated at their places. Any question or any clarification? Okay, let's proceed here with the different question that I have here. Okay, look at the screen. After virtually exploring with Dora the Philippine Festival, why it is important for us to know the origin and the background of the selected Philippine Festival in our country. So, again, we have three. We have Ati-Atihan, Sinulog Festival, and Subian Festival. Why? Bakit? Bakit ba importante for us? Nakalaman natin kung ano man ang background ng different festival nila. Okay, anyone who would like to answer? Okay, stand up. Yes?
To honor and to preserve our culture and tradition.
Okay, very good. To honor and to preserve our culture. Anyone? Anyone? Another answer? I would like another answer. Okay, stand up, Alvin.
Oh, the festivals of every city make them more distinct and unique.
Okay, more distinct and unique others. Thank you for that. But class, one thing of this one. We are all familiar with the Ati-Atihan Festival. As you can see, Ati-Atihan Festival are all black people. So some of them, ma'am, pag turista kayo doon, ma'am, mga laguma na sila. Diba? That's a sort of discrimination. So it is important na malaman natin kung ano man lang yung background nila for us to avoid the discrimination. And also, dili tama manol. You see the term manol? You know what is manol? Okay. That is all familiar here. And also sa Subian Festival, if someday we are all serious and malay natin someday makaka-celebrate tayo with their different festival. Although, Sinulog Festival, it's tara na dito sa Jensen, but kakaiba pa rin daw po kapag mag-celebrate ka dito mismo sa Sinulog. Do you agree with that? Yes! Next question I have here. Again, let's have a recap with our discussion. What is Ati-Atihan Festival? Okay? I want the answer with the full information, with the full description, when, where, and what is their celebration. Okay, anyone who would like to answer? I want the other hand later. We'll be answering later. Anyone? Wala, I will give points for those students na makapag-recite to you. Wala, or I will give 0. Sige, stand up. Let's try.
Ati-Atihan Festival is celebrated by the Aitas, and it originated in Aklan at every 30th of January.
Okay, very good. Palakpakan natin ba? So again, Ati-Atihan Festival, it is a mother of all festivals, and also they are portraying the native of the people native in Aklan, which are the Aitas. And also, Aitas, Ati-Atihan means the makes believe Aitas. And they are celebrated Ati-Atihan Festival every third week of January. And also, syempre, ang Ati-Atihan Festival po ay nanggaling sa or sineselebrate sa Aklan, Ati po Aklan. Any question about ati-atihan? Okay, let's proceed now here. So next question, we have the Sinulog Festival. I would like to answer. Okay, Venus, stand up.
So, Sinulog Festival is about in honoring the Senior Santo Niño. And in Sinulog Festival, so we can see the colorful dresses, and it is celebrated on every third Sunday of January in Cebu City.
Okay, thank you so much. Class, do you see that? Or mapapansin nyo lang, kapag makakita kayo ng Santo Niño, it's so very cute. Parang mawawala ang problema ninyo. And also for those people who are experiencing na magiging festival queen, they are portraying or they are dancing with gracefulness. Okay. Dahil, like, kakaiba din naman makita na dancers na naka-sad face. O, sa Bisaya, makitatag magbukot mga ilahang dancers. Pangit po talaga siya pakinggan. Knowing the term move on. Okay? So, again, Sinulog Festival, it is portraying the Senior Santo Niño. Kasi nga, if they are shouting, Pit Senyor, ganan magsa ulo, feeling nila, maririnig yung lahat ng mga prayers nila, lahat ng mga gusto nila ni Santo Niño. And also, again, Sinulog Festival celebrated at Cebu every third Sunday of January. Any question about Sinulog Festival? Okay, last, we have the Subian Festival. Okay? Last, wala? Okay, let's proceed. Subian Festival. It is came from the word subsub or subli or balik, because Subian Festival is skeletal dance. Mostly, it goes forward, down, downward, forward. Yung kanina na ginagawa ni Lumacrayo. And also, it is held or originated at Batangas and celebrated every 23rd of July. Question about Subian Festival. Okay, we have different siya. Okay, in Atiatian Festival, we have Halakira. Okay, the second one, the Sinulog Festival. What is the The third one, we have the Subian. Subian Festival is mostly like chanting, and also they are just portraying the dance with gracefulness. Okay? Any question?